sister, and then I'm gonna go make some healthy food with her. I got up so late, but I haven't eaten yet. So it's 11 o'clock in the evening, and of the first day, the first of the month, the first of the week, Monday, and I feel very good. I had, today all I've had is some oat and banana chocolate pancakes, which were yummy, with loads of fruit like strawberries and blueberries and a little bit of syrup, so it was vegan and healthy, so I feel really good about that. They were really filling as well, like it was, you know, probably like 600 calories for the whole thing. And I haven't had anything else since then, which seems crazy, but I did get up really late, like 2 p.m, which is something I need to sort out. So even though, it feels weird though, because even though I've not had much food today, haven't been hungry at all, I've just felt quite good. So the pancakes, and then right now I'm just eating some avocado on toast. You can see that? Avocado on homemade toast my mum made, like really dense spelt bread, and some palm bears. So I decided to make myself a smoothie. There's this kale that needs using up. So this is something that you can do if you only have a blender and no juicer. So as you can see, I'm just putting it through a strainer, or sieve. Everyone has a sieve, don't they? If you have cheesecloth or like that, you know, that cloth that sieves things, that would be better because you could probably squeeze it, and the holes are even tinier. But this will do fine. Oh, oops. Or, of course, a slow juicer is great because it doesn't get rid of like some of the nutrients with the heat, and you know, this leftover would be basically dry, so you would really be getting all the juice you can. But this, at the moment, is all I have. So let me have it. So I'm gonna just wash my hands, get rid of this. Yummy. I'm just putting the juice back into it. That is just kale juice and water, but you can tell by the colour that we got a lot of the kale nutrients from it. And now I'm just going to put in it, you know what I'm going to put in it? Berries. Just frozen berries. Just loads of different things. Actually, I just I videoed my face instead of the pouring. But there's quite a lot of berries in there now. Oh, that's dripping me. And I'm gonna get, alongside the Vega or Vega Essential Nutritional Vanilla Powder. Come with me into my lair. Some vegan milk. It is oat original. This is vanilla. Creepy. Oh. So yes, oat drink. Oat drink. Does it say that? I just made that up. So yeah, just pouring a bit of that in there. Ooh, to remember to video the right thing. I'm amazed that it's not more green. It's just the berries are so dyeing it so much. And because I really, what did I eat today? Like I said, I only had, well, I didn't really have much protein anyway. I know there's protein in oats. But yeah, not much. So this is like vegetable protein in a powder form. Not the best. Like if I'd had some lentils, it'd be great better, but I just somehow didn't get around to making myself a proper evening meal. So yes, that should do, I think. I am going to blend this up. Where's the, you know what I'm going to put in it? The rest of the avocado. There's not much left because I love avocado. So yeah, that's going in there. Ew. It's hard doing everything one-handed. And seriously, where's the lid? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna blend that up. Nicey nice. I'm amazed that it's so, I thought it would be green, but I suppose there's like black currants and blackberries in there, so that would make it really orange, purple. I know colours. So I'm gonna make this look nice. A pretty glass. I've sat down. Yes, I'm gonna put it on the special settings so you can get some of the, oh god, some of the lumps will come out. There we go. And pour, pour, pour. See what happens. Looks nice and thick. I'm not pouring it slowly, this is just how slow it's taking. Sometimes just smush it around. Anyway, you don't need to see the rest of that. So let's do a taste test. Oh, that is so, that's gross. I mean, I'm still gonna drink it all because it's healthy. You know, I know what the grossness is. It's this powder because it's just got a weird flavour to it. Even, maybe I should have maybe vanilla as well with kale. Doesn't work. But anyway, I don't care. It's full of nutrients. I'm gonna down it and maybe have some left for tomorrow morning and have it with my avocado toast. Just good. And I've got this, which is also so good. So the first day, feeling great. Plan is I'm gonna make these videos about me making a big change. So like changing my life for the better. And first of the month, best time to do it. Because I've had to move back from London to my parents' house. I'm unemployed, so I'm looking for work. My boyfriend is living away, so it's given me, I've got loads of time to really sort my stuff out, and, you know, make a difference to my life, because I would like to get my life in gear, start doing more creative things, as well as getting some money in with a job. I haven't got any money to go to the gym, but I found an exercise bike in my room. and I've got some weights, so I'm going to try and do that on the daily, or at least a few times a week, as well as eating healthily, and less, like not crazy less, but less, and just kind of trying to focus on the good things. So, like I said, sorting out my work life, doing more of the crafty or creative things I want to do. I want to start my own business and start making that happen, making my channel happen. Diet, exercise, get outside more, be more helpful, read more, just learn more things, and just be the best me I can be and happy about it. As well as seeing my friends more, and oh god, sorry, I was holding the camera in this arm, it really hurts. Ow. Yeah, and just being able to get into my old clothes would be amazing. That's something I'm going to be, as I lose weight. I'm going to show you my old clothes and which ones I could fit in and couldn't fit in and blah blah blah. So that's going to be hopefully good fun. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. Drink less as well. Skin, that is something I'm really going to try and focus on. I've ordered an aloe vera plant. I've also just made my own moisturiser. I'll have to show you that. And just for this first week, and maybe the month if I remember, I'm going to try and upload a new video every day, just to get me into it, to get me making content. And so some of it might not be as great, you know, I'm still getting used to the editing software that I've just downloaded, because I didn't have a laptop before, couldn't afford one, but my sister lent me hers. So yeah, that's my plan, is daily uploads for a while, and then eventually go back to weekly again, which I never actually did. I just did one and then I stopped because my life went haywire. Yes, so lots to plan. I'm going to show you the ways in which I plan things as well, like my weight chart and my bullet journals and things like that. Teeth, another thing I'm going to focus on is teeth. Well, I'm actually quite good at that. I've started over the last few years flossing every day, which I never used to. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. Sorry about the shaky cam. I have to start getting my tripod out. And I'm going to try and start really playing around with editing techniques and kind of cool things. I didn't even do anything today. Like I said, I got up at like 2, went to buy a non-stick pan. That's quite a big thing that I did today. I got a non-stick pan because at my parents' house we have just the normal pans, which you have to use tons and tons of oil and then some more oil just to get it to cook, and not burn and stick. So with my limited money, I bought a tiny pan, so that I don't have to use any oil, which is I've already utilised with pancake making, which is brilliant. So that should help with my health stuff. So that's all I did today. I went and collected my sister, and she's in primary school, so my mum and dad were out, so I did do a lot of stuff, but just not on focusing on myself, it's focusing on her. So we did our homework and she like cooked her own meal and I supervised, so she was like peeling her veg and stuff. That's another part of my things that I want to do, is help my sister, but you don't need to know that. You won't see that, but yeah. Okay. Smoothie, and then TV, and then upload this, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Peace out.